Here I have Honor 10 and let me show you how to enter the EMUI mode. So let me show you how to enter the Honor Recovery Mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm it. And now when your phone is completely switched off, let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Keep holding both keys and wait until the EMUI mode pops up. Now you can release both keys as soon as the EMUI mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So from the following mode you can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data factory reset. You may also wipe cache partition, or if you would like to, you can quit this mode by choosing reboot system now, so the first option. Let me quit this mode by choosing this one. Let's press power key to confirm it. And the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so it means that now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.